is raining. Thousands of little raindrops are falling down from the clouds. There is a naughty raindrop that has jumped onto Quacky's nose.
Little raindrop, where are you from?
Where is the little raindrop hiding?
I found you! Little raindrop, I've seen you! Here, you are here!
It flew out and slid down the drain pipe and was gone.
Where did it go?
Catch up with the little rain. Eh? The little raindrop went into the drain pipe. The drain pipe is connected to the drain. Where is it going? The little raindrop ran down the drain into the river.
I found you! I had a great time today, but I want to go back to the sky. Can you help me? Sure, but how to get there?
Have a try. What can help branch?
Leave it to me. What?
Eh? The little raindrop has fallen again. Big leaf. The leaf has fanned the little raindrop even further away. Sun. Help the little raindrop collect sunshine. Help the little rain. The sun warmed the little raindrop up. It gets hotter and becomes light water vapor. The warm sunshine can help the little raindrop get back to the sky.
I don't want you to go. When will I see you again? Don't be upset. When I get back, I will give you the most beautiful cloud in the world. I'll wait for you. Please don't forget that.
The water vapor has risen higher. It's cold. High up in the sky, they are frozen into water droplets and tiny ice crystals. Look! They've gathered into a cloud. Show Quacky where his friend, the little raindrop...
Look! It's a cloud with my image. It must be made by the little raindrop. Quack, 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 quack.
How can the little raindrop get back to the ground? Wow! By colliding, the little raindrop has become bigger. It's getting heavier and going to fall.
It's raining. I'll go and meet Quacky. Quack? Little raindrop, why are you back? I I went back to the sky and met lots of water droplets. We collided with each other and became big and heavy. Then we fell and turned into rain. Oh, I see.